Ramp is the fastest way to control spend, enforce policies, and gain real-time financial visibility. Complete this short setup to tailor Ramp to your organization when you first log in. When you first log into Ramp, you'll see your company's monthly total spend limit. Click on Get Started here. On this page, you'll select the bank account you wish to pay your Ramp balance from, such as this, and then you could go ahead and click Continue. By clicking I agree here, you are starting the bank verification process. Ramp will initiate a debit check by sending 2 small deposits and a small withdrawal to and from your bank accounts to confirm the connection for ACH payments. Once you see those amounts in your bank account in about 2 days, you'll enter the amount in order in which they were received and complete the verification to unlock your full Ramp spending limit. Prior to unlocking your full Ramp spending limit, you will have a temporary spending limit in place to use. After initiating the bank verification, you will verify your phone number by entering it in, and a code will be delivered to you. Click on Send Code to receive the code. The next step is to set up your Authenticator app to protect your account from unauthorized access. If someone else on your team needs to set up 2-factor authentication, you can click Skip for now. 2-factor authentication can also be enabled at any time from the Settings tab. Now you'll tell us more about you by entering in your department name and location name to help organize your spend and expenses, and then click Continue. You can also update this information at any time. To get the most out of Ramp, issue yourself a card and start making transactions. This is the best way to learn about the platform and experience how fast and easy it is to submit a receipt. You'll be able to make changes to your card after issuing it at any time. To issue yourself a card, enter in your company's name first. You'll see it reflected here on the card to the right as to how it'll be printed. Next, you're going to name the card under what is it for, or leave it as general expenses. This is typically a card nickname. After that, you'll indicate the card limit in the amount field. Under frequency, you'll select how often you want the card limit to reset. Monthly is typically standard. And finally, down here is where you tell Ramp where to send your card. This first option will be pre-filled with your office address, and the second option is if you wish to send it to another address instead of the office address. Once you confirm what address you want to ship your card to, you could go ahead and click Order Card. On this page, you'll tell Ramp what features you are looking to use so we can tailor your onboarding to your company's specific needs. You're going to check all the boxes here that apply, and then click Continue. Now it's time to invite your team. Invite your power users first, along with at least one person for each role. A power user is someone who will frequently make transactions with their Ramp card and submit expenses. This allows you to test out the platform end-to-end before a wider rollout. Power users can start making transactions to generate real-time data to use for accounting, while each role's access level helps you verify permissions and policies across the platform. You can make changes to these roles at any time. Let's go ahead and invite an admin by clicking on Admins here. A window will pop up here to the right, and you will start by entering in the user's email address. Under that, you will select a manager for this user if applicable. This can also be added later. Under location, you will select where the user is located, and under department, you will select what department they belong to. If you do not see additional location department options, simply type it in like so, and then click Create. From here, scroll down below, verify their role, and click Add Funds to issue a card. From here, select General Expenses and enter in the name of this card. Type in the card limit here, and under Frequency, select how often this limit will repeat. Once you've entered in these fields, you'll go ahead and click Add. Now if you scroll down below, the card will show right here. Make sure Issue a Ramp card is toggled on if you wish to issue a physical card. If this field is toggled off, the user will get issued a virtual card which will be available for immediate use. Now you'll select what address the user's physical card should get mailed to. If you select Ask the Cardholder, the user will be able to enter in their own mailing address, and if you select Specify a mailing address, you can have it shipped to the office by selecting Use My Office Address. It'll pre-fill in your office address, or you could enter an address in manually. The last step is to click Send Invite. From here, you're going to confirm the address for the card to get shipped to. Once invited, users will receive an email saying they've been invited to Ramp and were issued a card. Please repeat the same steps to invite additional admins, employees, bookkeepers, and the IT admin. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and click Continue. Now you will select which accounting provider you are using so Ramp can help you close your books faster and efficiently. Once selected, Ramp will walk you through the connection steps. If you do not see your accounting provider listed here, you're going to go down to Another Provider, click on the drop-down, and type to search for yours, and then click on the hyperlink. When you complete your first-time user experience, you will land in the Setup Guide in Ramp, which is your onboarding checklist. You're all set to get started with Ramp now. With the initial steps completed, your team invited, and cards issued, you can now start making transactions and seeing real-time spend data flow into Ramp. From here, you can fine-tune your policies, adjust roles, and explore additional features as your team ramps up. If you ever need to make changes, everything can be updated directly in the platform. Welcome to simple and efficient spend management with Ramp.